Okay, I'm here with Dennis, and we're back with another installment looking into this great project that we've been working on with the TechServe Alliance team. And in this case, there's a bit of a unique requirement that's probably pretty common, which is that in order to check out, so we have a user, he's gone through a registration flow, now he's in the shopping cart to finalize his transaction, but he cannot check out until he's agreed to all of the terms and conditions. Is that right, Dennis?
Yes, Vic, that's exactly right. The requirement was to prevent users from being able to place an order without checking these agreements. Even more, the requirement was to have some of these checkboxes to appear on this page dynamically. That's one thing. And another thing is to have them recorded in the order itself. So to make sure that user clicked this checkbox and have it
Right.
recorded.
And we needed that for legal reasons, because if somebody decides that they want to sue TechServe or there's some kind of dispute, you need an audit trail that then indicates, well, yes, indeed, you did agree to these terms of service. It's recorded here programmatically. And can you walk us through how that looks like on the back end, how you set that up?
Yeah, sure. Yeah, so what we have here, we have these checkboxes for two different terms of service, and they are dynamic. So if we will remove premium compliance service, which we see here, if we will remove it, on refresh, we see that it disappeared. So that was done with a custom code snippet that it disappeared here. But if we'll click this, I agree to these terms of service and place an order on the back end, if we'll go under order itself, we will see terms of service that were agreed. Even more, we will see the date and exact time when they were agreed on. So that was, as this was very important, this was an extra requirement from our client. We have done this with a custom code snippet that allows us to record this data directly to Orbits for this to be able to use in future.
So basically, we've got two code snippets. The first code snippet directs whether the terms and conditions will appear or not based on the products. The base membership requires the base terms and conditions, so that's always going to be there. But there may be secondary or tertiary terms and conditions that are related to the additional products that they've selected and added to the cart. And in order to proceed with checkout, we need both of those, and they have to be agreed to. So that's what the first code snippet does, is it shows the terms and conditions based on the products. The second code snippet actually allows us to record directly in the WooCommerce order data that, yes, in fact, they clicked check and agreed to the terms and conditions. And it even says on what date and time that happened. And it's particularly convenient for the administrator, whoever's working on the site and looking at the orders, because all they have to do is go and look into that particular person's order details, and they will see which products they selected, when they agreed to the terms of service. And so it provides an audit log for any kind of legal situations.
Yes, Vic, exactly. We have these terms of service recorded directly into an order, so they are forever in the database. And that is, we found this a great way to start with the easiest and the most convenient way.
Okay, and if you have similar requirements for your membership or for your company, where you're looking to put together terms of service that must be agreed to before a customer can check out, and or you want to record that directly into your WooCommerce order data, we'll provide the snippets for you. And of course, if you need our help with any thing like this, we're always available and always looking to collaborate on interesting projects. Thanks for your time, Dennis, and talk soon.